Not there.
Okay, fine. So let's start. Can you share your screen?
No, okay.
Okay, so you can minimize this. Okay. Then in the search window, you can type ideally. Center. Now Control O.
Yes.
Okay. So scroll down, locate the file. Yeah, locate the file, right? So
Sample data.
don't do anything. Select that.
Okay.
Select that. Did you select the file?
Ah, yes.
Yeah. Right click on the file. Let us see what options it has got. Okay. So now observe carefully. Okay. So you are selecting the file and you have view options, sort by, group by, refresh, and there is another option called open folder as PyCharm community edition project. That is more important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make a note of that. Okay. Now,
Okay.
yeah. Once again, we will see how it works. We will
Yes.
differentiate between IDLE and PyCharm. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, press escape button.
Press escape, sir.
Escape.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So now select open. And yeah, open your keyboard or something. There's some problem. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is how it looks. Okay. So
Yes.
both the windows, maximize both the windows, ideally as well as this one. Maximize them. This one and Alt tab, using Alt tab, go to ideally. Yeah, maximize that.
Yes.
The only difference you have to make a note here is Control D works here. Don't press anything. Make a note of
Okay.
that in your book. Okay.
Yes.
Control D works here. It will exit the ideally shell. But
Okay.
Control D does not work in the file that you have opened.
Okay.
Use Alt tab and go to that file, navigate to that file. Yeah, that one. Open it. Right. Yeah. Okay. So Control D will not have any function here because this is an editor.
Yes.
Okay, that is a shell. There is a difference between a shell and an editor. This is something like your notepad. Notepad, if you enter into a notepad and Control D, nothing happens. Okay.
Okay.
You have Control S function, Control X, V, okay, Control C, V, all those functions are there. Okay.
Okay.
Later on, you can search for what is the shortcut for closing the file. Okay.
Okay.
So now from here, press Control O.
Yes.
Okay. Control O is working, right? There also it is
Yes.
working. Here also it is working. So these are common shortcuts. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to the file. Go to the file. Scroll down. No. Scroll down. Locate the file.
Yes.
Locate the file. Select the file. Don't double click.
Yes,
Single
sir.
click only.
Yeah.
Right click. Okay. So here we have an option called edit with PyCharm community
no.
edition.
Yes.
Don't select that. Don't select that. You have to
Okay.
observe small changes.
Okay.
If we are opening from a editor file, okay, you are getting as edit with PyCharm community edition. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Press escape. Press escape.
Yes.
One more time, so that we can get out of this open. Yeah. Okay, you
Yes.
made a note of that. Now you
Yes,
move
sir.
to shell. Ideally
No.
shell. Alt tab. Use Alt tab to navigate to ID. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here you press Control O.
Yes, sir.
Move to the file. Navigate to the file.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Select the file. Don't double click it. Right click it.
Single. Okay.
Right click.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So here also it is showing as open.
Edit with house. Okay.
Okay. So let us do one more thing. Now what you do is close the other file.
Close the other part, sir.
Escape. Okay. Move to that open file. Alt tab. Use Alt tab to navigate to the file opened. Okay. Close this file.
Close D.
Close the file.
Okay, sir. Close D. Control D.
Control D will not work here. That is what I am trying to tell you. This is an
No.
editor file. This is not a shell.
Okay.
Okay. Close this file.
Okay.
So we have
Yes.
seen move that mouse cursor out of this cross mark. It will accidentally close it. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you only have ideally shell, correct?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, now Control O.
Yes, sir.
Now locate the file and see if that option changed. Yes. Right click. Okay. Now you see the difference.
Difference.
Now it is saying open folder as PyCharm community project.
PyCharm.
That is
Yes,
what
sir.
it is telling earlier.
Okay.
So that is the difference you have to make a note of. Okay.
Okay.
When we are into IDLE, okay, we opened a file. Okay. When we opened a file and when we try to right click on the file name, then this option has come. Okay. But when we opened the file and then try to search for the same option, it has not come. That means none of the files have to be opened. They should remain, all other files should remain closed. Only ideally shell should remain open, and then only when you give the right click, then only you will see this open folder as PyCharm community edition project, correct? This is what we are looking for. Yeah. Click on that, select open folder as PyCharm community edition project. Yes. Just stay for a while. Okay. Let the system, give us what it has to give. Okay. Let us just wait and see. Otherwise, we will continue with other operations. Yeah. Now, what it has initiated? It has initiated PyCharm. From within Python IDLE, we have opened PyCharm. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. So when you open the PyCharm, you should give some time to let it conduct all that indexing. That blue line is passing away, right?
Yes, sir.
Towards the bottom of the PyCharm screen, correct? Now it is saying indexing Python SDK Python 3.11, correct?
Yes, sir.
So let it pass. Don't do anything unless it passes. Okay. Now updating skeletons, all those messages will come simultaneously, one after the other one. Now it has completely, finished. Okay. Now what it says it is a new text document. Earlier we have seen. Okay. It has to be a Python document in order to execute it. Okay. But here it says it is a new text document. Okay. So now just check if we can rename the document. Okay. So on the top right corner, okay, just beside the bell, icon, there are 3 dots, vertical dots.
Yes, sir.
Just check, go and check if we have any options there. Yeah, that one. Yeah, select that. Okay. So do we have any options? Go to file is there, recent files is there, close all tabs, bookmark. No, nothing is there, right? Okay, just leave it like that. And now just beside new text document.txt, okay, there are about 4 lines, 4 bars, correct? Can you just go and check the options on that bars? Where is your cursor? I'm unable to see your cursor. Okay. No, not there. Let us go step by step. Beside the new text document.txt, left side, you have 4 lines, correct? That line.
Yes, sir.
Can you click on that and see if it is clickable?
No, not clickable.
It is not clickable? Okay. Then you have top 3 buttons, right? Top 3 dots. Beside that bug. No, not that. Yeah. Further more, right side. Yes. Just check there. What are the options?
No, nothing here.
Okay. So now you have seen that, we are unable to conduct a rename operation here. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
so now in your left pane, below the project, there is Python 311.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Expand that by clicking on the arrow button, which is just beside Python 311. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Expand that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, can you go down, please? What was your program name, by the way?
Program name is nutext.com.
No. Earlier we have saved one file, right?
Sample.01. Sample01 dot.
What is that dot? After dot, what is that?
Py.
Py indicates what?
Python.
Okay. So can you see that file here?
Yes, sir.
Can you also see that? Yeah, that one, right? Earlier we have saved that. Now, can you also see new text document.txt also in the same list?
Yes, sir. Same.
Can you just go there?
Yes, sir.
Click on that. One more time, click on that. Don't double click.
Not working.
Not working? Nothing is happening. Can you see if we can do some right click?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, what do we have? Okay. There is cut, copy, okay. Paste, find usage, refactor, bookmarks, delete, overwrite file types. Okay, all this stuff is there. Correct? Create, just all this stuff is there, right? So now, do we have any options here? Just check whether you have options to rename it.
No, sir.
No? Go to, just go and check in the submenus also. Maybe there are some options. Just go to the submenus. Local history submenu is there. Nothing is there. Open in. Nothing is there. Right? One moment. Don't go further. Okay. Open in is there. Okay. It says Explorer. Correct. Then path pop up is there. Then terminal is there. Can you go to Explorer? Can you select Explorer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Click it, Explorer.
Click it. Select that.
Okay.
Okay. So it has taken you to the folder where that file is available. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the same folder of your Python IDLE that we have initially started with. Do you remember?
Remember.
P users, Shiva S,
Yes, sir.
app data, local programs, Python 3.11. That is the entire
Yes,
path.
sir.
You have to remember that
Yes.
path. I may
Yes, sir.
ask you at times what is the complete path. You have to tell me the complete path. Okay,
Yes.
remember, those are the things to be remembered. Okay, now earlier we have done a rename. You remember in our
Yes.
earlier session we have renamed the file. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so maybe yeah, view, is there something in the view option? Just check.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
View, yeah. Okay, show. Okay, then
Sir.
file name extensions, right?
Yes, sir.
Check that, select that. Show and
Yes.
file name extensions. Yes, click on that. Select file name extensions. Okay, now you got the extension. Okay,
Yes.
so right click on the file name and see if you have rename option. Okay, show more options.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you see if there is any rename option here?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is there? Okay,
Yes.
go ahead, rename.
Yes.
Okay, you remove txt towards the end and place py there. Towards the end, you remove txt. You have selected the complete file. No, I don't want you to select the complete file name. Yes.
Yes.
And remove that txt. Backspace. Yes.
Yes.
py.
PY. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Enter. Yes.
Sir, are you sure? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have completed that portion of renaming the file. Now it is a Python file.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So close the box. Close the Explorer window. We don't need this Explorer anymore.
Okay. Escape, sir. You
No,
can press escape.
Close it into mark. Cross
Okay.
mark. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
now you observe the icon, change of icon of that new text document.py.
Yes.
Did you observe the change?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
App data local.
Yeah. Okay. And did you observe that the text of the file extension also has changed?
Oh, yes, sir. New text
Okay.
by document.
Click on that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So double click on that. You have to open that, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now you have opened that file, right?
Yes, sir.
Now are you able to see the play button on the top, run button?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, don't click it. Okay. So there is, what is it saying? Shift F10. That is the shortcut key. Can you just press Shift F10? 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute.
Yes.
Can you move on to the bug just beside that? Bug icon just beside that. Yes. So what does this say? Shift F9.
Shift F9.
Debug. Okay. I wanted to, before running the file, okay, before running the file, I wanted to debug. Maybe my program is very huge. I wanted to debug it first. And then after I find that there is no bug in my program, I will run it. So Shift F9. No mouse. Don't click on that. Move the mouse pointer away from that icon. Please move it away. Let us see if the functions are working properly. Shift F9.
Shift F9.
F9. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My name is Show.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have console. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it's, what does the console say? Connected to PyDev debugger. Okay.
PyDev debugger.
Debugger, and it says build so and so. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And can you read the rest of the content?
My name is Shiva. Process finished with exit code 0, sir.
Okay. There are two exit codes here. Okay. Successful exit code is 0. Failure exit code is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you once again Shift F9 is the shortcut key. Now you
Yes, sir.
press Shift F10. Now debugging is finished. Now let us
Yes,
run
sir.
the file. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now you see the difference between the debugging and the execution.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Earlier it said I have initiated a debugger. Now
sir.
it says the complete path. Check the complete path.
Yes.
It
Yes, sir.
says C
See
users Siva,
user Shiva.
V
App
app
data.
data, local programs Python, Python 3.11 and Python.exe. That is the executable file
Execute.
which is executing your new text document.py.
Okay.
Okay. And the output is,
Okay.
can you read the output?
My name is Shiva.
Okay.
Proceed finished with exit 0. Exit code
Proceed.
0.
Does it say proceed or process?
Process finished. Sorry.
Hmm.
Process finished with exit code 0.
Yeah. So our program is done. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
how you have to run a program. Okay. So, and then few important points are there where you need to observe. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you need to make a note of. So towards your right bottom corner of the PyCharm screen, you are finding one lock button which is unlocked. Can you see a small icon towards the right bottom corner? Right
Sure.
bottom corner, not top corner. You are looking at the top, bottom.
Bottom. Okay.
Bottom corner, right bottom corner. Still, you are looking at left, not right. Right side, extreme right. Yes. Furthermore,
Yes,
further
sir.
right. Yeah, you are seeing one unlock
Yes, sir.
button.
Unlock. Make file read only.
Okay. So just click on that. Okay.
Locked.
Now this is a locked file.
Locked.
We cannot do any changes.
Okay.
Okay, you can do changes only if you can unlock it. So suppose you have written this program and you have asked your friend to review the program. Okay,
No.
then you can say that okay, I will lock the file and you can view it. Don't unlock it. That is how you can protect your code. Okay.
Okay.
So you can unlock. Now it is not that important file for us.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just beside that there is Python 3.11.
Yes, sir.
Just beside that. Yeah.
Yes.
So you read that. What does it
Current
say?
interpreter Python 3.11. C Blacksmith user Siva P app data local program Python 3.11 Python.exe.
So it says this is the current interpreter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Python has so many versions. Please understand that.
Okay.
Python may have so many versions. In future, you may want to work with other versions also. Okay. Click on that. Select that with your mouse.
Yes, sir.
Select it. Yeah.
Okay.
So you have different options.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Add new.
Then the current. Can you read from the first line, please? Topmost line. Can you read? No. Topmost line. What is the topmost line? It says Python interpreter.
Yes, sir.
Then next.
Python 3.11.
Okay. Next. What is the option?
Add new interpreter.
Okay. Can you move to add new interpreter?
Yes, sir.
Can you select that? Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
Suppose let us assume don't select anything. Just leave your mouse. Okay. What does it say? What does the option say?
Add local interpreter.
Okay.
Add log field
So
interpreter.
suppose let us assume that from 6 months now or 2 months now or 15 days from now, there is Python 4.0. Let us assume for,
Okay.
this is just for an example. So you
Okay.
wanted to use that interpreter.
Okay.
Okay. So here you will find, okay, multiple
Okay.
interpreters of different versions. So you can
Okay.
select the version you need and you can select that interpreter. You can debug, you can run. That is the meaning of this. Okay.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
have other settings called interpreter settings. Can you go to the interpreter settings? We will just look at the other options. So can you read after add new interpreter? What are there? What are the other options?
Interpreter settings.
Okay. And
Manage packages.
okay, can you go to interpreter settings?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us see what options it has.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you remember NumPy?
NumPy, sir.
You have installed it, right?
Yes, sir.
What is
Install.
the command that you used for installation of NumPy?
NumPy.
You have used a command called pip space
PIP.
install space
Yes, sir.
install space NumPy.
NumPy. Yes, sir.
Correct? Do you
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
recollect that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
you should
Already.
be very attentive, alert, because all the commands that we run are very, very important. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So okay. So you have now, you can explore later. Okay. So many things are
Okay.
there. So
Yes, sir.
appearance. Let us. Can you read out from the top? What are the options that are available in this window? Can you read everything? Starting from
AP,
appearance. Yeah, please go
appearance
ahead.
and behavior.
Hmm.
Key map.
Hmm.
Editor.
Okay.
Plugins.
Mhm.
Version control.
Okay.
Project new text document.
Yeah, that is your file name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Python interpreter.
okay.
Project structure.
Okay.
Build execution. Development.
Build, comma, execution, comma,
Execution.
deployment.
Deployment.
Deployment. Yeah.
Yes,
Then
sir. Language and
languages,
frameworks.
framework. Yeah. Tools.
Tools.
Then,
Settings sync.
okay. Then advanced settings.
Advantages settings. Yes, sir.
Advanced. It is
Advanced
not
setting.
advantage. Okay. Yeah, fine.
Advanced setting.
So can you expand appearance and behavior? I will show you one small thing. Okay.
Yes.
Expand appearance and behavior. There's a small arrow mark there. Click
Yes,
on
sir.
that so that it expands it
Yes,
gives
sir.
us okay. So now what you can say is appearance. Go to appearance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to just remember what options are there. It is not
Yes.
compulsory that you remember all the time, but at least you have to understand. Okay, this option will be there in this menu. This sub menu will be there in the, suppose appearance. Appearance will be there in appearance and behavior menu. Okay.
Behavior.
So like that you have to remember few things, not all the
Okay.
things. It is not required. Okay. Go to appearance, click on appearance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will do one small, I will show you one small thing. So there is
Okay.
theme, correct? Dark.
Yes, sir. Dark.
Yeah. Can you just change that?
Yes.
Can you select the drop down list? And,
Yes, sir.
and can you select light from that?
Yes, sir.
Click on
Click
that.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it is very good, right? The
Yes, sir.
contrast, so
Yes, sir.
it is up to you. You find dark good, you can go ahead with that. You find white good, you can go ahead with that. Okay.
Okay.
Because I strain my eyes with a darker background. Okay.
Okay.
So I use the light. So you can use your
Okay.
dark background because you are much younger. Okay. So
Yes,
you can say okay. So this is
okay.
how you have to change your appearance settings. All
Okay,
other
sir.
options you can explore. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can say okay.
Okay, sir.
Quick, we are short of time. Okay, press okay. Now rest
Oh,
you can explore later. You can just go and press okay. Down.
okay. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is one thing, and you can also change your font size, because normally
Yes,
I
sir.
can't look at smaller fonts. I normally increase the font size, so that you can take
Yes.
care later. Now you understood how
Yes, sir.
to execute, how to do things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can close this, and you know, rest of the experiments can also be done here. Okay. So one more
Okay, sir.
thing is, can you say new file? Can you say
Yes,
new
sir.
file?
Creative.
On the top left top corner, you have 4 bars. Can you just check what they are? Top corner, top of the window.
Yes, sir.
Left corner. You are going to the right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is your main menu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Main new project.
no, don't hurry. Can you read the entire things? New project, new scratch file, correct? All those things are there.
Open,
Say
save as.
new. Say new. No. Say new. Select new.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Select it.
Alt plus int shortcut.
Yeah, Alt plus insert is the
Insert. Okay,
shortcut.
sir.
Yeah, select on that. Select that new.
Oh. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then you say Python file. You select Python file.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. You give some name.
Mm.
Suppose sample02. SAMPLE 02.
Yes, sir.
Enter. Okay.
Okay.
So same, write small print statement. Print of
Yes, sir.
within. So you automatically see that when you type a flower bracket or a open bracket or
Yes.
a closed bracket is not required.
Okay.
You type
Okay.
one bracket, automatically the other bracket will appear.
Appears.
Okay. So that is the beauty. So quote, start one quote.
Yes.
Single quote.
Yes, sir.
And type,
Tab.
I am Shiva. Quick, we are losing
Right.
time. I am Shiva.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Click somewhere on the white space.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So now what you do is play button. That is your
Play.
function F10. Function F9,
Oh.
F10 is there, right? Don't use, yeah.
Okay.
Can you do function F10?
Yes, sir. Function F10.
Function F10, yes.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you get the output?
Yes, sir. My name is Shiva.
No, my name is
No, sir.
Shiva is in some
No.
other file.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I am Shiva is.
Correct. So now you have to execute this file. Show me how to execute that file.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Try it out.
Okay.
We will catch up some other time. There is something
Okay.
called current file in the top, right?
Yes, sir.
Drop down, select that.
Uh,
Select that.
okay, sir.
Okay, current file. Press on current file once again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now check and see if that is functioning. Execute it. Play button.
Yes, sir.
Did it come?
Yes, sir. I am Shiva.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So chalo, that's it. We will catch up most probably after you come back. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay.